It's different when I'm sitting there alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit, yeah.
Speed up.
Yeah.
Oh, this is hot.
I knew it was gonna be. I knew it was gonna be. And I knew that. I was like, yes, burning that ass. Why you walk so awkward? Just walk.
What did I just say? God,
You're the one started it.
I knew you were gonna say something about her laugh or giggle or something. So I'm like, okay, just a fair warning.
I'm like, why Kayvon got a picture of this?
Oh
What
my
the fuck
God.
is that? And Kamora was looking at it too. I'm like, so you see this shit too? Damn, he just outward with it. Like, nigga, you was supposed to be searching Latch.
Okay, Bob.